So, I gotten this from Hope Gospel. So here's a little thing. We're gonna zoom in on this. So, I'm gonna move this around so you guys can see the mark. So, this turns out this might be worth less than what I paid, so. Yeah, it's not Native American, it's Mexican made. So, I couldn't find any that looked exactly like it. But, so I would say this is a vintage brooch that can be a pendant, because of that right there. So, if it was a pendant, it would be hanging like this. So, you could also wear it on you like that as well. So, yeah, that's how it would look, even as a brooch. It's silver, sterling silver, the way this looks. And it looks like the shape of a bird. So, yeah, there's another thing I thought about getting, but, you know, they wanted like $60. It would be something where you put your wash stand tubs in it and you wash your clothes in by hand. Many years ago, they wanted, I believe, like $60 for that. But right now, I do have my eye on, as of this is in May when I filmed this, at the attic, it's a bride's basket, uranium glass, but right now they want $80. I might wait till they have it for 20% off. It all depends. So tomorrow, May 13th, I believe, I will be starting my new job at Woodman's. So, yeah, so I can't really go garage sailing that much tomorrow, really. Just because I have to be to Woodman's parking lot physically by 4 in the afternoon. So, but, yeah, otherwise I thought this was an interesting piece. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to share the channel, as it will help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching.